Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have to go to one location so far, clean it out. A lot of my schools are hitting me up telling me to take out the product from the machine, take the money out, clean them up a little bit to get them ready for next year. So right now I'm going around trying to take out all the expired product and collect the money that's in there. I'm grateful that we're able to go and collect the money and we don't have to wait until the next school year to start, because that'd be another 3-4 months. And even then, I'm not sure if the schools are going to go back to normal. I have some other schools I have to go to throughout the week, so I'll take you guys along and we'll be able to film one last collection video from the schools, at least until a couple more months goes on. But we're getting gas right now and we're gonna head to the school. Alright, so we left one school and then another school hit us up. We're heading there now. We're like 5 minutes away. So we're going to go check that school, take all the stuff out, see how much we made, and then I think that's going to be it for today. But we got some more tomorrow to hit up, so we'll pick it back up then. Alright, move this over. Then you pull out here, you slide that open. Slide right here. And it's going to drop down. Oh my gosh. That's good.
What about the coins? I like those that you can just take it.
Pretty good. Alright, so we're back at the house, counting up all the money. This is from 9 locations. We didn't divide everything out into different ones. We just threw everything together because This is the last time we're going to these machines, and we're just kind of cleaning it out and getting it ready for next year, hopefully, if there is a next year with the schools. But yeah, this is it. There's the cash. We're gonna count it up. This is from 9 locations today. We'll grab the money from the 7 locations we went to a couple days ago, and we'll add everything up and get you guys the totals. Alright, so today off of 9 locations, we made $415 in cash and $150 in coins, for a total of $564 off of 9 locations. And then I'm gonna go and get the money from the other locations we went to 2 days ago. So there's 7 locations we went to, so we're gonna add that to this and get you guys the grand total. And yeah, okay, so just to recap, today we collected $565 off of 9 machines. That's this over here. And then 3 days ago, we collected $571 off of 7 machines. We went to a thrift store, traded them some ones because they needed some. So we got a 20 and then a 5 we got out of one of the machines. So 571 plus 565, $1,136 off of, what is that, 16 machines? Off 16 machines. And this was like during the pandemic or whatever, and all my machines are shut down, so I was just going through cleaning all of them out, and I've got a lot of expired product and a lot of product I can't use anymore that's gone to waste. But I also got a bunch of money that I didn't have to refill machines. So this is technically all profit, but technically all a loss because I lost a couple $1,000s on products. So yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We still have about 15 more locations to clean out. I just wanted to post a video for you guys. I know it's been a little bit. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. And peace.